Hey friends, welcome back to Fluent Slowly. I'm Zara. Let me ask you something. Do you ever understand English but struggle to speak it at work? Do you know words but not the right sentences at the right time? Don't worry. Today, we fix that. In this episode, you'll learn 50 short, powerful English sentences that native speakers use every single day at work. Not just sentences, when to use them, how to say them naturally, and you will speak with me. I'll go slow, I'll keep it simple. And by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English in your daily routine. All right, take a deep breath, relax your mind. Let's begin.
Here is your first sentence. I get to work and open my laptop. This is how many people begin their day. Now you repeat. I get to work and open my laptop. Good. I check my tasks for the day. This means you look at what you need to do. Repeat. I check my tasks for the day. I start with the most important work. Always begin with what matters most. Repeat. I start with the most important work. I grab a cup of coffee before I begin. A small habit, but very common. Repeat. I grab a cup of coffee before I begin. I review what I did yesterday. This helps you continue smoothly. Repeat. I review what I did yesterday. I plan my day in the morning. Planning makes your work easier. Repeat. I plan my day in the morning. I organize my workspace before starting. A clean space helps a clear mind. Repeat. I organize my workspace before starting. I check my emails early. This keeps you updated. Repeat. I check my emails early. I set my priorities for the day. This means choosing what is most important. Repeat. I set my priorities for the day. I begin work without distractions. Focus is powerful. Repeat. I begin work without distractions. Now let's move into your day. I attend meetings with my team. Meetings are part of work life. Repeat. I attend meetings with my team. I take notes during meetings. This helps you remember. Repeat. I take notes during meetings. I focus on one task at a time. This improves quality. Repeat. I focus on one task at a time. I take short breaks to refresh my mind. Breaks are important. Repeat. I take short breaks to refresh my mind. I complete tasks before deadlines. Deadlines matter. Repeat. I complete tasks before deadlines. I communicate clearly with my team. clear communication is key. Repeat. I communicate clearly with my team. I ask questions when I don't understand. This shows confidence. Repeat. I ask questions when I don't understand. I stay focused during busy hours. Stay calm, stay sharp. Repeat. I stay focused during busy hours. I avoid unnecessary distractions. This saves time. Repeat. I avoid unnecessary distractions. I manage my time carefully. Time is everything. Repeat. I manage my time carefully. Now let's finish the day. I review my work before finishing. Always double check. Repeat. I review my work before finishing. I complete unfinished tasks. Try not to leave things pending. Repeat. I complete unfinished tasks. I prepare for tomorrow's work. This saves time later. Repeat. I prepare for tomorrow's work. I update my progress. Track what you did. Repeat. I update my progress. I organize my desk before leaving. End your day clean. Repeat. I organize my desk before leaving. I log out of my work accounts. Time to disconnect. Repeat. I log out of my work accounts. I say goodbye to my colleagues. A simple habit, very powerful. Repeat. I say goodbye to my colleagues. I leave work at the same time every day. Routine builds discipline. Repeat. I leave work at the same time every day. I relax after work. You deserve it. Repeat. I relax after work. I don't think about work at night. Balance is important. Repeat. I don't think about work at night.
These small habits make a big difference. I drink water throughout the day. Stay hydrated. Repeat. I drink water throughout the day. I eat healthy meals at work. Fuel your body. Repeat. I eat healthy meals at work. I keep learning new skills. Growth never stops. Repeat. I keep learning new skills. I stay positive at work. Your mindset matters. Repeat. I stay positive at work. I help my teammates when needed. Teamwork matters. Repeat. I help my teammates when needed. I stay away from distractions.
Focus creates success. Repeat. I stay away from distractions. I keep my phone silent while working. Less noise, more focus. Repeat. I keep my phone silent while working. I take care of my health. Health is wealth. Repeat. I take care of my health. I stay organized every day. Consistency wins. Repeat. I stay organized every day. I improve a little every day. Small steps, big results. Repeat. I improve a little every day.
And that's it for today. Take a moment. Look at how far you've come. You didn't just listen. You spoke. You practiced. You improved. And that matters. Because fluency is not magic. It's something you build. One sentence at a time. One day at a time. So tonight or tomorrow morning, try using just 5 of these sentences in your real life. That's how confidence starts. And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need brave English. This is Fluent Slowly, and I'm Zara. Keep learning, keep speaking, and most importantly, never stop believing that you can. I'll see you in the next episode.